I have always wanted to move to the UK. It appears to be a place where my YouTube channel will grow faster rather than back home in Nigeria where being a YouTuber is super stressful. It's been 3 weeks now I moved here. Waking up by 9 a.m. has always been my routine. I go to school, come back and the same thing the next day. Life here is basically going round in a circle for me. But one thing I keep telling myself is, I should be creating content. But how? It seems I'm stuck to creating automobile contents. I sold my bike and my car, moving down here, and haven't gotten any job yet, so I can't afford to buy a high performance car now. Or maybe, do I have to call family members to lend me money? I called my uncle, I called my aunt, everyone close to me that might understand I need to keep chasing my dreams, but it was all in vain. The only thing I have now is just my education, which I'm currently focusing on, but something keeps telling me I am built to create content. Although I'm not so good in front of the camera, but I have the ability to get comfortable. I said to myself, it's time to make a change. Looking at the mirror and see how far I've gained weight staying in Nigeria for 3 months after my wedding got me worried as well. Thoughts keep going in my head. Then I decided it's time to change my lifestyle. Nothing comes easy in this world. I should stop waking up late and start waking up early. I can't keep eating late nights. I should always go to the gym and never skip a day off. I should cut my calories intake. Having these thoughts in my head made me realize I don't have to wait till I own a car or bike before I can start creating content. I said to myself, why don't I start now? It's time to take content creation as me documenting my life improvements and not sticking to one thing that can hold me back. This is not the first time something is holding me back, and this has always been the reason why I've always paused on content creation. It's time to document my life and make myself the niche, rather than creating content being attached to a niche. It's time to not give about the algorithm and do what the spirit leads. I hope my subscribers will love me for who I am and what I do. I believe in myself, so please believe in me. Stick with me to the end and watch me down the journey to achieve my goals. Thank you. More to God.